Hey everyone! Struggling to keep your bedroom organized? Check out these custom closet ideas for a perfectly organized space. First, maximize vertical space by installing shelves and hanging rods at different heights. This allows for more storage without taking up extra floor space. Second, use drawer organizers to keep small items like accessories, socks, and underwear neatly sorted. Third, incorporate pull-out baskets or bins for easy access to items like shoes and bags. This keeps everything in its place and within reach. Fourth, add hooks and pegs on the inside of closet doors for belts, scarves, and hats. This makes use of often overlooked space. Finally, use lighting to brighten up your closet. Good lighting makes it easier to find what you need and keeps your closet looking fresh. By following these tips, you'll transform your bedroom into an organized haven. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home organization tips.